Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells. And you read that title correctly. We're gonna be making vegan corn dogs. Let's get started. Alright, we're gonna start off with the lazy version of corn dogs using just pancake mix and cornmeal. Somebody told me to do this on Instagram and I said, listen, I'm here for it. The hot dogs we're using for today are gonna be Smart Dogs from Light Life. We're also gonna be using carrot dogs. Let me take y'all back to last night when I made the carrot dogs. Okay, so I have washed our carrots. I'm gonna take the ones that are already pretty much hot dog size and I'm gonna scrape off the top layer. Now I actually have a veggie peeler, y'all, but I'm not gonna lie and say I know how to use it, so let's see. Okay. I think I'm doing, nope, this ain't gonna work, it's gonna take too long. Yep, this works better for me. So I'm just scraping off this first top layer here and I'm gonna kind of cut this off to make it more of a hot dog shape. Okay, so here we are. I have my pot of boiling water. I'm gonna drop in our carrot dogs. Now I'm gonna cover until they were fork tender for about 10 minutes. All right, it has been 10 minutes. Let me check our carrots. Definitely look like hot dogs. See if our fork, oh yeah, our fork goes right in there. All right, so let's take these out. I ran the carrot dogs under some cold water to stop the cooking. And now we're gonna put them in a baggie to marinate overnight. This one's a little too tender, but oh, okay, you can go in the bag, that's fine. For our marinade, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or liquid aminos, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and some liquid smoke. That's probably about a tablespoon as well. And we're gonna let this sit overnight. Let's do 1 cup of pancake batter, 1 cup cornmeal, and 1 cup of almond milk. Oh, what happened to my whisk? What happened to my whisk? Oh, we definitely gonna need some more almond milk. It's too thick. She thick. I'm gonna add about a 1/2 cup.
That is too thin. Ugh. I knew I should have stopped when I was ahead.
I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of pancake batter. Now let's ruin another dish and add this to a cup for dipping. Now get your skewer, or I heard some people can use chopsticks, and let's put this hot dog right on in there. I'm gonna do the same with my carrot dog. Uh-oh, it came through. Uh-oh, y'all, hold on. Oh, I'm gonna break this off a little bit. There we go. And here's a shorter one. All right, here we go. Ooh, oh, okay, she like that. She's having fun. I'm gonna go ahead and break this stick off, guys, because I know this whole thing is not gonna fit into my cast iron skillet. And let's go right over to my stove that's already heated. On the last video I fried with, you guys asked me what kind of oil I use. It's just regular old canola. Okay. Put the whole thing on in there. Okay, guys, it's been about 4 minutes. I'm gonna just check on these. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this one since it didn't submerge all the way in the water. So we're looking brown. Okay, we're definitely looking brown. I think we'll go ahead and take this one out. I see a little burnt spot on one side. Oh, come here, come here. Now for our carrot dogs, I'm gonna use some cornstarch to help the batter stick. So I'm gonna roll them around in cornstarch first, because these are obviously way wetter than our vegan hot dogs were. Here we go, in goes our carrot dogs. Oh, that looks so good.
Oh, it's still wet. Calm down, calm down.
All right, and out they come. Just had to flip them over for a second. They mostly were done cooking, just had to get a little spot. You can join their friends over here. Okay guys, so here they are. I actually forgot which was which. I know this is a carrot dog because it's so little, but between these all look alike.
You will get roasted if you bring a carrot dog to any kind of omnivore function.
You will get roasted.
Just a warning. This is just for the plant-based people who don't like mock meats, but try it if you want to. No mustard first. Let me taste the outside. I mean, it's good all together. I like it, but something's missing. I don't know, maybe the sugar that you would add in the traditional, which we are about to do the traditional way, no worries. Something's missing from that. All right, so I know this is a carrot. Mmm. That's so good. The carrot marinade overtakes everything. This does not taste like a corn dog, but it's so flavorful. Oh my God. Yeah, I like the carrot better. Let's start off with 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, some salt, a couple shakes, probably about a teaspoon worth, 1 vegan egg, and 1 cup of milk. Grabbing my broken whisk again, let's do this thing. Again, batter is too thick for my liking, so we're gonna gradually add in more milk. Let's ruin another cup. Okay, we back. Chocolate Vegan did not die in a horrible grease fire. What had happened was, y'all, I left the grease on while I was making the second batch, which you wouldn't do in real life. You would do 1 batch. I'm doing both work to show you which one worked better. So thank you. You welcome. What? Here is one of the carrot dogs. I know for a fact because you can see it right here. Let's try this with the actual corn dog batter. That carrot is so good. Again, not a corn dog, but it's real good. I do like this one a little bit better. Inside is not quite done because I almost burnt the house down. I have here Miss Cindy Davis. You have seen her and loved her before. So I did not tell her what is in these or what batter I use. So she's gonna take a bite out of all 4 and tell us what she thinks.
Oh, that's good.
So that is a Light Life hot dog with pancake batter.
Okay, I really like this one. Wouldn't know it was vegan at all. So I just had a corn dog at work yesterday, so it's definitely fresh in my mind. This tastes just like a regular corn dog. Well, not a regular corn dog.
Right.
A delicious vegan corn dog that you wouldn't know wasn't vegan.
I can't.
Or
That
was
would be a regular.
vegan. Wouldn't know. Let me try that. So I like it. This batter was like a little more soft, but it had a crunch on the outside.
Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's a little bit sweet too.
Okay.
I like this one. I mean, I like the first one.
Okay.
But I like this one a lot. Mmm. Okay. Hold up. This is a pickled carrot corn dog, but I love it.
Yeah.
Cause the pickle is a little sweet on the outside with the batter, and the pickle like gives it that tang with the pickle. Like the vinegar, I like that a lot. It was like a surprise, but it was a pleasant surprise.
Yay! I did not tell.
I like them all. I mean, I'm about to eat all of them, okay?
Okay, another good recipe. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.